Look, everyone, it's the girl from Eurovision.
You got Bumblebee.
Bit too important to talk to the help age you've eaten. Next up, it's Dave, looking totally dissimilar to his EastEnders character.
Hello, Dave. Dave, how you doing? You good?
Thank you very much for coming.
This is that's for you.
Oh, that's a fine glass, man.
Stick it where you need to.
Friend of that drink, champagne. Deco, I think it's a far better drink.
Yeah, what are the French how they do? Last year, it's going to be
What? Got some stories, man.